Welcome back to my channel everyone. In today's video I will be talking about supply and demand, how to trade them effectively. Also I will demonstrate to you guys how to identify supply and demand in the market. Okay, I'm taking this. Alright guys, so how do you identify the supply and demand and the chart correctly? Right? First thing, you need to look for a engulfing candle. Do you guys know what is an engulfing candle, right? I think that's very basic knowledge right there. So I'm guessing you know what's an engulfing. But let me explain it. Engulfing is when a particular candle becomes overthrown by another candle. That's what I'm saying. For instance, you notice this candle right here, this one consumes it and becomes bigger than it. This is a engulfing candle, right? And we're looking for times when the price reaching this area, because this is where strong sellers are. This is the reason why you see this crazy drop right here. So what I'm saying, I'm going to explain everything furthermore on the next trade, so stay tuned. Beautiful. Okay, so this particular trade right here guys, if you notice clearly, there is a small downtrend movement, and I always explain to you guys about the direction of the trend, right? It's no joke. You have to try your best and align yourself, align your strategy with the trend. Okay, what the trend does is that, let me see, the trend doesn't predict the market, but the trend gives you an idea of the movement. Okay, and then your strategy is the one who predicts the market. Now if you go with the trend and you are predicting the market, it increases your probability of winning the trade. And that is all trading is. It's all about getting the highest probability to win the trade. All right, nice. All right, let me mark it real quick guys. This trade was moving so fast guys, I didn't get the opportunity to mark it before taking it, but I realized it was a good opportunity. You see that? You see that rejection guys? That's not normal. You see that rejection guys? This is the benefit of using supply and demand. Like, it's so good. Okay, another opportunity, but I think I should have marked this one. Let me explain why. You notice, oh, this candle right here is very small, right? So it's like my accuracy wasn't really sharp here guys. You see that my entry is outside of the zone. Hopefully I don't lose any of these trades. But you see that if my entry, let me mark the zone better. If my entry was in the zone guys, you see my trade would have been a much perfect win. Oh my, and this is why I emphasize about entries also. It's not about strategies alone. Your entries need to be on point, because remember, so I'm going to take this for 2 right here. If the price comes up to this one guys, I'm going to take another 2 trade. I'm going to show you guys something. I'm going to show you guys something so important. This is so amazing. I used to like to do this when I see like when I see a supply and a demand. Like, this is the supply, this is the demand. If it comes in between the both, I like to take the 2 trades. I usually do this sometimes when I get the opportunity to, but let's see if it's going to happen today. If it reaches it, I'm going to take it. I think there was a video on my channel which I did this before, where I take 1 trade and another one at the same time. It was so crazy guys. I love that. I love that, because then I get enough opportunity. I can finish my session very quickly. Unfortunately it didn't reach guys, but if it did, I would have taken another trade right here, honestly. One more. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna put 1 more on it also again, because I could see that there wasn't any trend going down. It was just strictly uptrend. So this signifies strength in the market, and we reached the demand area right here. Remember, we're looking for an engulfing candle to verify the zone area. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen for this particular trade right here. I'm expecting a rejection from the zone. Come on. Beautiful. That's it, guys. This is the end of my session. If you want to learn all my strategies on a deeper level, you can apply for mentorship using the link in the description. See you in the next video. Bye for now.